Question number 6. A cube slides down the surface of a ramp. Cube slides down the surface of a ramp. I have this ramp. The moment I say a ramp, put an angle theta here. So I have put the ramp here, cube here. What is the magnitude of the frictional force that acts? Okay, and this slides with a constant velocity. What is the magnitude of the frictional force that acts on the cube? Where does the frictional force act? Frictional force acts like this over here. Okay, if it is sliding downwards, definitely sliding downwards. Okay, so it is acting. What is the value of this? Don't give me the sign. What is the value of it? Okay, that acts on the cube due to the surface. Now what will happen? The weight of the cube. The weight of the cube, how is it acting? It is acting like this. The weight is acting like this. So definitely it will not be equal to how much. So how do I know? So what I do is, if this angle is theta, this angle should be 90 minus theta. So therefore the component of this W will act like this over here, which should be W sine theta over here, right? So therefore it is not equal to weight of the cube. This is incorrect. The component of the weight of the cube parallel to the plane, this is the right answer. B is the right answer, right? So B is the right answer. The component of the weight of the cube perpendicular to the plane. Let us explore the other options also. So perpendicular to the plane, how is it equal? See, perpendicular to the plane. See, this is the plane. Perpendicular would be like this over here, which should be W sine theta over here, which will be balanced by your normal force. Okay, so definitely this does not account for your friction. Okay, sorry, W cos theta. I'm sorry, this is not W sine theta, W cos theta. Cos theta over here, which does not account for your friction. Then the component of normal force reaction at the surface parallel to the plane. Component of the normal reaction. Normal reactions surface parallel to the plane like this. So which should now be equal to n cos 90, which is 0. Okay, which is not the right answer. B is the right answer. Let us move on to the next one.